asuntosyköyhtiö Vallikallio.
This is amazing. Today on the 21st of June 2022 we have Vallikallionkuja. Valbergsgränden 5 sticker say here in Leppävaara, Alberga, Espoo, Helsinki, Helsingfors region, Uusimman Finland. And we still need to get to the staircase B here also, with the B8 fixtures and the black logo here. And this was built in 1984, possibly late 1984, because it's black here and blue there, but still not Kone here.
Yeah.
We have to check if this was finished in 1984 or 85, but it might have been finished in late 1984, possibly.
Yeah.
This number is H63362. We need to turn the lights. It will go automatically.
Yeah.
And it will be inspected in 2024 when it will be 40 years old. Two rights. And next to this one, the building was finished in early 1985 with Kone fixtures.
Yeah.
But
Inspected by Kiva inspected, maintained by Spanish.
it actually has memory, but the lights are not in use.
Yeah.
I'll go and have a look at the alarm bell.
Yeah. That's